Greetings, and thank you for joining me. Today, we will be doing a simple, mindful meditation for beginners. Let us come into a comfortable position and gently allow your eyes to close. Let us begin by taking several long, slow, deep breaths, breathing in fully and exhaling fully. Let us observe and never control. Ready? Breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. Allow your breath to find its own natural rhythm. Bringing your hands one to your chest and one to your stomach, with your full attention, noticing each inhale as it enters and travels down to your lungs and causes your belly to expand. And notice each exhale as your belly contracts and air moves up through the lungs, back, up, and out. Invite your full attention to flow with your breath. Notice how the inhale is different from the exhale. You may experience the air as cool as it enters your nose and warm as you exhale. Keep breathing. As you turn more deeply inward, begin to let go of noises around you. Simply let them be. If you are distracted by sounds in the room, simply notice them and then bring your attention back to your breath. Simply breathe as you breathe, not striving to change anything about your breath, not trying to control the breath in any way, only observing and accepting your experience in this moment without any judgment, paying attention to each inhale and exhale. If your mind wanders to thoughts, plans, or problems, simply notice your mind wandering. Watch the thought as it enters your awareness as neutrally as possible. Then practice letting go of the thought as if it were a cloud floating by in the sky. In your mind, place each thought that arises on a cloud and watch it as it floats out of sight in the vast blue sky. Then gently bring your attention back to your breath. Your breath is an anchor you can return to over and over again when you become distracted by thoughts. Notice when your mind has wandered. Observe the types of thoughts that hook or distract you. Noticing is the richest part of learning. With this knowledge, you can strengthen your ability to detach from thoughts and mindfully focus your awareness back on the qualities of your breath. Practice coming home to the breath with your full attention. Keep breathing, watching the gentle rise of your stomach on the inhale and the relaxing letting go on the exhale. Allow yourself to be completely with your breath as it flows in and out. You might become distracted. It's okay. Acknowledge whatever comes up, including thoughts or stories about your current experience. Simply notice where your mind went or goes without judging it, pushing it away, clinging to it, or wishing it were different. And simply refocus your mind and guide your attention back to your breath. Keep breathing. Follow the air all the way in and all the way out with each inhale and exhale. You're doing great. Keep breathing. Mindfully be present moment by moment with your breath. If your mind wanders away from your breath, just notice it without judging it. Keep breathing. As this practice comes to an end, slowly allow your attention to expand and notice your entire body. How are you feeling? Going over all the sensations, bringing awareness to any feelings of tension, simply breathing into it and releasing it. Just let it go. Bring your hands to a rest, and whenever you're ready, gently begin bringing more movement to the body, starting in your toes and fingertips, and beyond those, and then beyond your body. Bring awareness to the room you're in, coming back to your physical reality. Whenever you are ready, you can open your eyes and come back fully alert and awake and rebalanced. Thank yourself for the time committed today. The breath is always with you as a refocusing tool to bring you back to the present moment. Set your intention to use this practice throughout your day to help cultivate and strengthen attention. The mind is like a mirror. Dust collects on this mirror. To avoid not seeing clearly, we must wipe this mirror clean every day. Peace, namaste, and until next time, I love you.